The Metalbrite SES lamp holders are without doubt the best in the market. The Aston Martins or the Bentleys of the lamp holder world. In this video you will know everything you need to know to use this lamp holder straight away. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and in this video I want to demonstrate these luxury lamp holders. The two types, threaded and smooth skirt, and what to expect when it arrives, how to disassemble it, wire it up and reassemble. Let's get started. So we have two types of SES lamp holder. We have the smooth skirt and then the threaded skirt, available in both finishes. We have nickel, brass, antique brass and bronze. So today we're going to wire up this smooth skirt. Notice how well machined it is, machined out of solid brass. So we start by unwinding the skirt and we separate the insert. Now we'll slide up our cable. I've prepared my cable already. Slide that up through the base. Now normally this lamp holder would be fitted to a 10mm all thread, so we'd have it screwed onto the all thread before wiring it up and then tighten down the locking screw to hold it onto the thread. We then take the insert, and I always start with unwinding the earth terminal and sit that in so there's no copper showing. Next we take the live terminal, and we always do the live terminal to the center pin on an SES. And finally the neutral wire. The neutral wire goes to the outside terminal. Tighten it down. Next slide the base up, and there's only one way this can sit in. You see the two notching in the base. We pull that through into the holder, ensuring that the earth terminal is pushed neatly against the base. Next take the skirt and thread clockwise until you hear the latching of the locking mechanism, and there you have the lamp holder wired up. As I said, we have other varieties, so these are the 10mm varieties which screw onto a thread mount, or we offer the same range in the cord grip, so if you're going to hang it from a wire. We've got antique brass, ordinary brass, nickel and also bronze in this range. If you've decided this lamp holder is for you, you can purchase it here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar lamp holders, and please do get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.